Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the Digitalsync-Lcd touchscreen assembly replacement for the LG G-Pad 7.0 V400 V410 in black. This screen is a 7-inch LCD screen with a touch digitizer and bezel, boasting a resolution of 800 by 1280. It's specifically designed for the LG G-Pad V400 and offers a seamless replacement experience. The assembly includes everything you need for installation. The standout feature is its compatibility and ease of installation, making it a great choice for those looking to replace their damaged screens without much hassle. The black color adds a sleek finish to the device, maintaining its original look. However, it's crucial to note that this assembly doesn't come with HDMI ports, despite the detailed display of specs. Overall, the Digitalsync-Lcd touchscreen assembly is a solid replacement option for the LG G-Pad V400, ensuring a crisp display and responsive touch functionality. If you're in need of a screen replacement and value straightforward installation, this might be the solution for you. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.